Yes, you can start reversing fatty liver and boost your energy in as little as 2 weeks using simple, natural remedies. These breakthroughs are done by none other than the most renowned Australian alternative healthcare promoter Barbara O'Neill. In this video, we'll explore how your liver works, why modern diets are damaging it, and the best foods and herbs to help your liver recover. Let's get started. The liver, your body's detox commander. The liver is one of the most vital organs in your body. It acts as your body's main detoxifier, filtering everything you eat, drink, and even breathe. Every nutrient, toxin, or chemical you consume passes through the liver before it can be used or eliminated by your body. The liver performs hundreds of essential functions, including breaking down and removing toxins, regulating blood sugar, storing vitamins and minerals, producing bile to digest fats, and managing cholesterol levels. However, our modern lifestyles are putting the liver under tremendous stress. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD, is now one of the most common liver conditions worldwide. It often develops silently with few symptoms at first, but can progress to liver inflammation, scarring, and even liver failure if left unchecked. How modern diets damage the liver. Today's diets are filled with processed carbohydrates and sugars. Supermarkets are packed with bread, pasta, cereals, cakes, cookies, chips, and sugary drinks. These foods are high in refined carbohydrates, which quickly break down into glucose in your digestive system. After you eat, glucose is absorbed into your bloodstream and sent directly to the liver. If you eat more glucose than your body needs for energy, the liver converts the excess into fat. Over time, this fat accumulates, leading to fatty liver disease. High-carb diets also force your pancreas to produce more insulin. Eventually, your cells become resistant to insulin, leading to higher blood sugar, more fat storage, and chronic inflammation. This cycle increases your risk of diabetes, heart disease, and even certain cancers. It's important to understand that it's not healthy fats like butter, eggs, or cream that are the problem. It's the excess sugar and refined carbs that are silently damaging your liver. The power of whole foods and fiber. Switching to a diet rich in whole foods and fiber can make a dramatic difference for your liver. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which support liver health and help the body detoxify naturally. Fiber acts like a broom for your digestive system, sweeping out toxins and excess cholesterol. The highest concentration of nutrients in many vegetables like potatoes is just under the skin, so try to eat them unpeeled when possible. Healthy fats, such as those found in eggs, butter, and olive oil, do not spike insulin and actually support hormone balance and cell health. Research shows that reducing carbs, not fats, is the key to lowering cholesterol and improving liver function. Natural remedies to heal the liver. Let's look at 4 powerful natural remedies that can help restore your liver and reverse fatty liver disease. Dandelion, the king of liver herbs. Dandelion is a bitter herb that has been used for centuries to support liver health. The bitterness stimulates the liver to produce more bile, which helps break down fats and flush out toxins. Dandelion also contains antioxidants that protect liver cells from damage. You can add fresh dandelion leaves to salads, make a hot potato and dandelion salad with olive oil and garlic, or drink roasted dandelion root tea, which is available in most health food stores. Dandelion is especially helpful for those with sluggish digestion or fatty liver, as it promotes bile flow and liver regeneration. Lemon, the alkalizing liver tonic. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and alkaline minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium. While lemons taste acidic, they have an alkalizing effect on the body once digested. This helps balance your body's pH and supports liver detoxification. Start your morning with a warm lemon drink by squeezing half a lemon into a cup of warm water and drinking it on an empty stomach. Lemon stimulates bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats and supporting liver health. Ginger, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Ginger is well known for its anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea properties. It also helps stimulate bile flow, which aids the liver in processing fats and reducing inflammation. To make ginger tea, grate a teaspoon of fresh ginger, steep it in hot water for 10 minutes, and drink. Ginger tea is especially helpful for warming the body, soothing digestion, and supporting liver detoxification. Turmeric, the ultimate anti-inflammatory herb. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Curcumin helps reduce liver inflammation, protect against oxidative stress, and may even help prevent liver fibrosis. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper to hot water and drink as a tea up to 3 times a day. Black pepper increases the absorption of curcumin, making this combination especially effective for liver health. Lifestyle tips for a healthy liver. In addition to these remedies, there are some simple lifestyle changes that can further support your liver. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to help flush toxins from your body. Exercise regularly, as physical activity helps reduce liver fat and improves insulin sensitivity. Limit alcohol, as it is a major cause of liver damage. If you drink, do so in moderation. Finally, avoid processed foods by cutting back on processed snacks, sugary drinks, and fast food. So that is it for today, and remember, your liver is a remarkable organ with the ability to heal and regenerate, but it needs your support. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Don't forget to comment below for your chance to win a free copy of our best-selling health guide. Thank you for watching. Take care of your liver, and it will take care of you. See you next time.